Okay, welcome back. As you can see, it's Panda Day here at the Blair Watch Project. I am offering up another one of my 6138 8020s from the collection. This one has just been fully restored and serviced, and so that means in my book, fully servicing the movement, taking everything down to all the pieces, relubrication, making sure that all the parts are exactly as they should be, doing the regulation and the timing of the watch, all new seals, case back, pusher, crown. This one has a new Strunkreuz crystal, which is exact reproduction of the original in plexiglass. I didn't polish the case. This is just cleaned, essentially the kind of cleaning you would do with your fine silver or something like that, but no machine polishing, and it stands the test of time. This is a good watch without a ton of dings and dents. It's got its share of minor casualties over the years, but maybe one here that's a bit more grotesque. This one is somebody tried to take the case back off at some point in time and managed to scratch the back. But let's face it, we're looking at the front of the watch on this one. It's just so lovely. It's got all of its original hands, loom, parts. The case back and the dial are within 2 months of each other in date. English, Spanish, day wheel. All the functions are there. This just operates exceedingly well. I'm just so happy with the way it took to service. There's some watches you can just immediately tell as soon as you drop the balance, they are just vigorous. You can just see it, and this one was no different. That it just started running exceedingly well. I'm so happy with the way it came out. Yeah, so if you're interested in an all original, guaranteed with warranty 6138 8020 that's been serviced and is ready to wear, great length bracelet, has quite a few extra links on each side. It's ready to go. This is the one you're probably looking for. If you are searching on other sites, it's not a cheap one. I don't discount my prices. I take into account the cost of the watch and the service cost, and I'm honest about what gets done. So if you really want an honest watch that's really ready for the next 5 to 7 years on your wrist, this is a good one. So please let me know if you're interested in a Panda. There's another one on the site. I believe this one is actually also listed. It's gonna be a bit cheaper simply because there's a replacement bracelet and it's got the Panda patina, but otherwise, now there are going to be 2. So let me know. There's a link, of course, in the description below if you are really interested. This one might go fast, so don't be surprised if the link is gone as you're watching this. But there are more watches on the site, so don't hesitate to let me know. All right, thank you so much.